Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll basically be looking at this topic here, collocations. And funny enough, you have been using these words, but you didn't know that they were collocations. So I'm here today to show you that you've been using collocations and you know how to identify them in your Pearson Test of English reading. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Juliet. I'm a Pearson Test of English tutor, and I'm basically here to help you ace your Pearson Test of English exam and invariably other English exams too, so that you can get that score that you need. Stay with me to the end of this video so you know how to use collocations or identify them in your Pearson Test of English reading. We're going to begin with an example, and then I'm going to define what collocations are, and you know how to identify them going forward. Okay, so here we have example 1. Many of us dash a lot of time about the difficulties and problems of life, and these are the options we've got here. We've got take, spend, cost, and save. Now all you need to do is take the right option and put it here. Please, I didn't make up this question. This question is one of the past questions from the Pearson Test of English reading. It's a part of a question. I just took it out because it's going to show off collocation here. So you need to understand how that works. So what do you think the right option is? If we put take here, many of us take a lot of time. That actually sounds nice. How about spend? Many of us spend a lot of time about the difficulties and problems of life. That also sounds nice. How about cost? How about save? So you take the right option, put it down in the comment section, and let's know if you get it. Okay, so I'm going to go with the word spend. Spend would be the right option here. Now, take a lot of time is actually a collocation. Spend a lot of time is a better collocation to go with this word. I mean, in the context we are looking at, spend would be a better option here than take or save a lot of time or cost. If you look at it, it's talking about something negative, in the negative, about the difficulties and problems. So you cannot be taking a lot of time about the difficulties. No, you cannot be cost a lot of time. You cannot save a lot of time about the difficulties and problems of life. No, rather you will spend a lot of time about the difficulties and problems of life. You spend a lot of time talking about it or brooding about it. So spend will be the right answer here. And guess what? Spend a lot of time is collocation. I know you've probably been using it all this while, but you never knew. Let's take another example just for you to have a better understanding of what collocations are. This is example 2. Let us look at it, and it's going to also help you have a better understanding. At the critical junctures in commercial life, risk-taking is more an dash of faith than a carefully balanced choice. This is another question gotten from the past question of the Pearson Test of English reading, which is a very important module in the PTE exam. This is reading fill in the blank. I just took it as from part of a whole question, so I didn't make it up too. So we've got options here. We've got act, we've got importance, we've got art, and we've got emphasis. So what do you reckon should fit in here of all these options? Put your answer in the comment section, and I'm going to look at it. Okay, so let's see. We know we have things that things like act of faith. To have the art of faith. Importance won't really fit in here. Importance of faith. It doesn't sound so well. It doesn't sound like what we constantly hear, right? Emphasis of faith doesn't sound like what we constantly hear. So, but we'll have words like act of faith or art of faith. The right answer here will be act of faith. So these words go together, so they are called collocations. So I'm just going to explain to you why we have been doing this and what collocations are. So collocations are a group of words that often go together. Yeah, so sometimes you hear people say like, I'm going to do the dishes, I'm going to do the laundry. She burst into tears. You know, those words, we already know that they sound good together. So that is why they use them together in English language, especially native English speakers. So those group of words that we use together or words that go together are called collocations. And I know you have been using it all this while, but you didn't even know that the name is collocations. And guess what? You'll be seeing a lot of these words in the Pearson Test of English reading, especially in the reading and writing fill in the blanks and the reading fill in the blank. Okay, so let us look at some of the examples I have here. We have fast food. You don't say quick food. Okay, so basically we say, oh, we're driving through Macca's to buy fast food, or we're going to do fast food for lunch. So you don't say quick food. No, it's fast food. So they go together. Then we have make my bed. You don't hear people say, I want to arrange my bed. You hardly hear people say that. Not that they don't say them. They say them, but on rare occasions. You will probably hear this one more. I want to make my bed. She made her bed. Another example is the doctor prescribed regular exercise for him. We don't have do exercise daily. I mean, these go together more, regular and exercise, okay? So these are collocations. They are group of words that go together, or words that go together. We have round of applause. Let's give her a round of applause for doing so well. Hey. Okay, so these are group of words that go together. And these are few examples. So you know what you do? Just leave some examples in the comment section. Let me know that you know these things or you've understood what I'm talking about. Like I've been saying throughout the beginning of this video or throughout this video, you actually have been using collocations, but you never knew they were collocations. So going forward, if you see them in your Pearson test of English reading, you can just smash them. Those examples I shared with us are gotten from the reading and writing fill in the blanks. I know I had said reading fill in the blanks, no, but I think it's basically reading and writing fill in the blanks. You will meet a lot of them. And for that task, for those reading and writing fill in the blanks, you need collocations, you will need a wide range of vocabulary, and you will need grammar rules. So this is where I'm going to stop in today's video. You can pause it, you can write in the comment section your own comments, okay? Your own collocations that you have been using and you didn't know they were collocations. Now, if you have not followed me on Instagram, please run to my Instagram channel and follow me there at English_prep class. Leave me messages. If you want me to look at your Pearson test of English results and do an analysis for you, I can do it free of charge. And if you want me to just put you through any module, I can also do that for you. Find me on Facebook at English Prep Class. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please just hit the red button and turn on your bell notification so you know when I upload new videos, which I do every week. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Please stay safe. Bye-bye.